Hello, I am Dr. Sudhir Rajguru from Department of Management and today we will discuss service promotion. Types of communication: oral communication, written communication, face-to-face communication, face-to-face communication and online communication, media communication. Communication issues: technology, what technology to use, website or any other, budgetary constraints are there, content of the advertisement is there, whether you have to advertise for couple or for families, and delivery issues are there. Role of communication in service marketing: to strengthen the relationship, to increase the target audience, retain the customers, sustain the business and the organization, enhance the growth. Advertising implication for overcoming intangibility: problem is generality, objective claims can be there and subjective claims can be there. For objective claims, document physical system capacity, cite past performance statistics. For subjective claim, present actual service delivery incident which you have done, how you have delivered. Non searchability, present customer testimonials which already customers has done. Abstractness, display typical customer benefiting. Impalpability, documentary of step by step process or case history of what firm did for customers. Narration of customer subjective experience. Other communication challenges in services marketing: facilitate customer involvement in production, prepare customer for service experience and demonstrate roles, teach customers about new technologies, new features, help customer to evaluate service offerings, provide tangible or statistical clues to service performance, highlight quality of equipment and facilities, emphasize employee qualification, experience, professionalism, stimulate or dampen demand to match capacity, provide information about timing of peak, off-peak periods, when to come, when not to come, offer promotions to stimulate off-peak demand. Just like Big Bazaar, they promote that come on Wednesday, there is a off. Promote contribution of service personals, help customers understand service encounter, highlight expertise and commitment of backstage personnel, those who are working on the backside. For example, they are working in the hotel and how they are preparing food and what is the qualification, how they are. Setting clear objective, checklist for making communication planning, 5 W's. Who is our target audience? What do we need to communicate and achieve? How should we communicate this? Where should we communicate this? At what place? When do communication need to take place? At what time in service industry communication is important? For example, when there is a strong competition is there and you want to communicate, heavy demand of the product is there, you want to communicate. Common educational and promotional objectives in service settings. Create memorable image of specific companies and their brands. Build awareness, interest for unfamiliar service and brand. Build preference by communicating brand strength and benefit. Compare service with competitors offering and counter their claims, which is important. Reposition service relative to the competition. Stimulate demand in off-peak and discourage during peak hours. Just like I've already discussed about Big Bazaar and other malls and all, how they are discouraging that what to come. Sometimes the malls and the apparels malls, they say that come after 5, come after 10, likewise, to equate the demand throughout. Educational and promotional objectives continued. Encourage trial by offering promotional incentives. So a lot of companies, they try to encourage the trial just to come, and it is for a free days, or for it is a cinema hall, you can come to have an experience for one day, or any other kind of a trial can be provided. Reduce uncertainty, perceived risk by providing useful information and advice. Perceived risk, you can find this specific risk in a crèche, where the parents would not like to send their ward to the crèche. So there is a perceived risk, and how you are avoiding that risk? By giving information and advice. Provide reassurance, that is promote service guarantees. You have to give service guarantee. Clear? Familiarize customers with service process before use. So you have to familiarize customer, what is the service process, what will be done step by step, what things will be done. So this can be familiarized. Teach customer how to use a service to best advantage. So you have to teach to take the best advantage for a particular service also. Recognize and reward value customer and employees. It is important, not only customers but also in service industry employees are also important. So you have to reward both, because services are delivered by employees, they are not delivered by the company itself. It is the people only, it is the only employees only, they service. Some more objectives can be there. Awareness. BharatMatrimony.com, before launch in Dubai, they sponsored G Cine Awards. More use. Visa trips to Athens, customer use for a certain limit, for example, they have given, so that more use of service can be promoted. Some trips can be given. Intermediary. Insurance companies to their agents, how they will train or promote. Benefit. Hutch, wherever you go our network follows, or Vodafone, they say in their advertisement. Service guarantees, 100% placement, 100% placement, and it is given by Educational Institute. Compare service. Lot of banks, they try to compare. SBI, for example, SBI advertise on highest number of ATMs that they have comparable to the other banks. Marketing communication mix for services. Personal communication, selling, customer service, training, telemarketing, word of mouth. Next is advertising, broadcast, print, internet, outdoor, direct mail. Likewise, sales promotion, sampling, coupons, sign up, rebates, gift, price promotions can be given. Publicity and public relation, press release, press conference, special events, sponsorship, trade shows, media initiated coverage. Instruction material, website, manuals, brochures, video audio cassettes, software CD-ROM, voicemail. Corporate design, signage, just you see the signage, interior decor, vehicles, equipment, stationery, and uniforms. In the service industry, like in the airline, you say that there is a uniform for air hostess. Thank you.